like. You all are welcome, and if there is anything you would love us to discuss tonight, just drop it on the comment section. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys. Let's just vibe. Let's just have fun. Let's just have fun. Oh, this life is not easier. People are just economizing their data, managing their data. They'll just join and boom, you won't see them again. I'm seeing 14 people joining, guys. Please, at the left hand side, you will see a like button. Just tap on it and like. You are all welcome. Comment where you are watching from. Yeah, you guys are welcome. I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for your comments, guys. I am waiting for your comments. Guys, if you're just joining, you're welcome. Eight people, you are welcome. If you're just joining, you're welcome. You guys should like, tap on the screen and like. Like. Nobody is commenting, guys. You know, one thing with live stream is that if nobody is not commenting, like it seems like tiring and everything, because nothing as in nothing will entice you. Yeah. But if you guys keep your comments coming, like commenting, at least the engagement will be there and it will be fun. Guys, if you're just joining, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thanks for joining. Just comment where you are watching from. Let's just have fun. If there is anything you would love to know about me, just drop it on the comment section. I'm here for you guys. Wow, 12 people, no like. Guys, at the left hand side of your screen, depending on your position, you see a like button. I'm seeing 12 people, but no like. You see a like button, just tap on it and like, guys. Like. Nobody is saying hi. Hey.